So let's look now at the COBIT model. The COBIT model is derived from a model used for computer environments. It was originally focused on controls for specific IT processes. Some organizations that are highly computerized, like insurance companies, might use the COBIT model. So COBIT is the best-known control and governance framework that addresses information technology. Over the years, information technology has gradually come to pervade every facet of the organization's operations. The wide use of IT in almost every aspect of business indicates that we can no longer view IT as separate from other aspects of the organization. The evolution of COBIT has reflected this change in the nature of IT within the organization. A governance system is the rules, practices, and processes that direct and regulate an entity. A governance framework is the structure upon which the governance system is built. The 6 principles for a governance system are summarized as follows. Provide stakeholder value. Achieving value requires a strategy and a governance system. A holistic approach. Create synergies among the components interconnected in the system. Governance system components were called enablers under COBIT 5. Components can be generic, as in they can be applied in principle to any circumstances, or variant, whereby components designed for a given purpose or context are in a focus area. Next, we have dynamic governance system. The governance system must be dynamic when dealing with a change in design factors. For example, personnel, infrastructure, or applications. And they must be accompanied by considerations of its systemic effects. We also have governance distinct from management. So governance tasks should be differentiated from management tasks. Tailored to enterprise needs. The governance system must be designed to meet an organization's requirements. Design factors affect the blueprint of a governance system. Design factors include, but are not limited to, threat landscape, technology adoption strategy, and enterprise strategy and goals. We also have end-to-end enterprise coverage. The emphasis is not solely on the IT function, but on all information, processes, and technology that contribute to organizational goal achievement. The following are 3 principles for a governance framework. It is based on a conceptual model. The governance framework achieves consistency and automation by identifying components and their relationships. It is open and flexible. The governance framework is flexible and permits inclusion of new content and issues without loss of consistency and integrity. It is also aligned with major standards. The governance framework aligns with relevant regulations, standards, frameworks, and best practices, such as the latest IT standards and compliance regulations. An IT governance